A lot of people ask me, Anand, how do you think jobs will change in the next 3 to 5 years? Or more specifically, what will be the impact of AI in the next 3 to 5 years on our jobs? So here is my response. These are 7 points which are extremely important for you to understand. Point number one is routine jobs will be gone. And I've spoken about this in so many videos that routine jobs like data entry, junior level support, testing, and admin roles, all of these jobs will be gone. Why so? Because of LLMs, because of bots, because of automations and tools that can handle repetitive and structured tasks in a faster and cheaper way. All right. And the reality is that you won't see this happening overnight, but definitely the demands will shrink, and slowly but surely you will see the impact, especially in the large service companies. All right. So that was point number one. Now, point number two, AI will become a daily co-worker. In every industry, you will see a AI co-pilot being used, whether it is coding, whether it is writing, whether it is HR, whether it is finance, or whether it is design. Using co-pilots will become normal. And as a result, professionals who know how to use these AI tools will outperform those professionals who don't know how to use these AI tools. So if you are a coder, you definitely need to know how to collaborate with AI so that you are able to outperform somebody who does not know how to collaborate with AI. All right. So that's point number two. Copilot is going to be everywhere. Point number three, middle managers like me or you will be forced to evolve. I wrote this blog post where I mentioned that task allocation, report generation, performance tracking, reviews, a lot of this is already being done by software or AI tools. So a lot of these tasks used to be done by middle managers are already gone. So then why will we need middle managers? We will need middle managers because of our human touch, because of our ability to, let's say, resolve conflicts between two team members, because of our human ability to motivate our team or support our team during crisis situations. We will need middle managers who will be able to maintain and establish stakeholder relationships or client relationships. So middle managers who have a high emotional intelligence will continue to survive and thrive, but the impact is going to be immense. So yes, middle managers need to evolve and evolve quickly. That is point number three. Now, point number four, some roles will explode in demand. For example, prompt engineering, AI ethics, data governance, AI ops, LLM tuning, and AI product managers. All these roles are already hot, and it is time that these roles will explode in the next few years. For example, 10-15 years ago, the cloud architect role was new and it slowly exploded. That's how AI solution architect role might also explode in near future. So that was point number four. Now, point number five, you will see unexpected and new roles coming into picture. For example, AI compliance officer roles, AI workflow designer roles, AI explainer roles, trainer roles for AI. So AI trainer roles will also come into being because these are the people who will know the domain and they will help to fine tune the AI. And lastly, in branding, you will see roles or needs for storytellers who can use AI to generate brand content at scale. All right, so that's point number five. Now let's quickly move to point number six, which is more than the job titles, the job descriptions will change, which means if you are a content writer, you will now need to master ChatGPT or Jasper to write content. If you are a teacher, you will need to use AI tools to design your lesson plans. If you are a recruiter, then you might use AI to pre-screen candidates or to analyze resumes. So these are some examples, but more or less all jobs will have an AI element in the job description. All right, so that was point number six. And point number seven is that the gap between those who learn AI fast and those who don't learn AI will become wider and bigger. So your age is not going to be a big factor, but your ability to adapt quickly to the change is going to be a very important factor. Those who embrace the change will ride the wave, and those who resist will slowly but surely be replaced, not by AI, but by people who use AI. So my honest take to conclude this video is that definitely AI is going to kill some jobs, but not all jobs. AI will definitely become an element in most of the jobs that we do today. So the way we work and the job descriptions are going to change, and people who will know AI will definitely replace people who don't know AI. So in next 5 years, your job may still exist, but the way you execute it, the way you do it will drastically change. And that's the takeaway from this video. I hope you deeply resonate with this. Let me know what do you think about it in comments. If you have contra views, those are welcome as well. I'll be happy to read and respond to all the comments. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you liked the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to share it in your WhatsApp groups. I'll see you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.